Facebook continues to be the best social network to set up camp on as a business. It's an absolute no-brainer to be on there. The 10 benefits of placing ads on Facebook are: 1. Facebook is the most popular social platform at present. 2. Facebook ads have a higher reach than TV. 3. You can select and customize your target audience. 4. It follows an interactive format. 5. The campaign is very cost-effective. 6. The business can be run on the same platform with an access to a business page. 7. It is the new media and people have a much higher craze about it. 8. You can select the most suitable Facebook ad format that suits your business the most. 9. Keep a track of the campaign's performance, all by yourself. 10. Due to low cost, a split test campaign can also be run. So these are the 10 benefits of placing ads on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, finance, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.